Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So, are you still translating every word in your head while speaking English? If yes, then this video is just for you. If you are struggling to think in English, are you freeze when it's time to talk? Don't worry, you are not alone. I used to do that too. But here's the truth. You don't need perfect grammar to start speaking. You need the right mindset. So today, let me share 4 simple steps to help you stop translating and finally start thinking in English. Step number first, the toothbrush trick. You brush your teeth every day, right? But have you ever talked to yourself in English while doing it? Try this. While brushing, just describe what you are doing. I'm brushing my teeth. The water is cold or hot. The toothpaste has a nice smell. It helps me feel fresh. Why? Because you are training your brain to think in English during your daily routine. Start your day with English, no pressure, just practice. Step number 2, use English in real life right now. Stop memorizing boring grammar rules. Start using English that actually help you in real life. For example, you want to buy vegetables. Practice saying, "How much is this?" Or, "Can I get a half a kilo of onion?" Use English that match your life, your day, your needs, your moment. That's how fluency starts. Step number 3, powerful line to repeat. Some lines are magic. Repeat them often. I can speak English. I'm not perfect, but I'm improving. Making mistakes is okay. Staying silent is worse. Say this daily. Your confidence will start growing automatically. Step number 4. Stop saying I don't have time. People say I'm too busy, I can't watch movie or practice. But the truth is 5 minutes a day is enough. Don't wait for the perfect time. Just start small. You don't need hours, you need moments. Use your small moments. While cooking, speak out the steps. While walking, talk to yourself in English. Watching a short video, repeat one sentence from it. One sentence a day is enough to grow. And remember, making mistakes is better than staying silent. Don't be afraid to sound silly. That's how learning happens. You can do this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real life English tips. See you in the next video. Bye.